I'm going to show you how to change the PTU, power transfer unit, transfer case, fluid in this 2017 Jeep Renegade. First, you're going to want to make sure you get the vehicle jacked up. See, I got it there. Move your wheel. That's going to take a 17 millimeter. If you got a trail hawk, you're going to have that engine shield on there. You're going to need a 10 millimeter, 13 millimeter, and a T30. You're going to find three different types of screws, bolts on the shield. So go ahead and remove that. Start over here on the passenger side. Then we're going to remove our fill plug and our power transfer unit. See it in the center of the screen. Using a 10 millimeter Allen on a socket. And we're using that. You got it here. You get that broke loose. And go ahead and remove that fill plug. All right, guys, we're going underneath the Jeep. We got our engine oil drain plug here. And then right here is power transfer unit drain plug. It's right next to the exhaust. Again, it's on the passenger side compared to the exhaust pipe. Just for comparison, our transmission is over here. So we're gonna go ahead and loosen that bolt right there.
It might be optional to remove the engine shield. I think there is enough clearance for the oil to drain without removing it. If anything, you'll have to put some aluminum foil to create a dam. I removed it so I could film more easily.
All right, we're gonna leave this to drain. There's not a whole bunch in there, but let that sit for a couple minutes. Go ahead, wipe off the metal slivers from your oil drain plug magnet.
There is a brass looking washer on both the drain and fill plug. It likes to stick to the housing. Just make sure you don't lose it.
Once it's done draining, put it in that clean drain plug and we're gonna torque it to 26 foot-pounds. We got about 12 ounces out of there. We're gonna fill with our OEM. We need 13.5 ounces. We need a 75/90. I'm gonna be using this Valvoline.
This is a GL5 oil. It contains limited slip additive, which is safe to use in this application. If you're looking for the OEM fluid, you can find it at the dealership for north of $40 a quart.
Some people use fluid transfer pumps. I got one of these flex fill bags here. I got another bottle. I'll fill this up to the correct amount. And then I put this on a vise and I fill this up. So I like using these bags. Just using a vise to hold the empty bag and fill it up with the correct amount of fluid here. So if you don't have one of those flex bags, another way to do it without a transfer pump, just get a hose, use a lighter, heat it up so you can press it over the tip here. All right, you can see I got the nozzle in there on my flex bag. It's a very slow process. You gotta be slow filling this up or it'll overflow. Just spill out. So just take your time, slowly squeeze everything in there. Once you get that filled up, and trust me, it's going to take a long time. You have to go very slow while putting that fluid in or else it'll just start spilling out. We're going to go ahead and torque that back down to our torque measurement of 26 foot-pounds. You can put your engine shield back on and torque your wheel lug nuts to 89 foot-pounds. All right, that's how you change the PTU. Thanks for watching. Got a question, leave a comment, like and subscribe. Thank you. All right, guys, I know I mentioned this in the video. This Jeep took oil very slow. Now, I didn't get to try this myself, but I have one other idea. If you run into the same problem, you could try this. And if it works, leave a comment for others to help them out. But if you're in your Jeep with the key in, don't put your foot on the brake and just push the ignition button. That'll turn you into accessory mode. Go down and put on your four-wheel drive. Either do the four-wheel drive lock, or if you spin your dial, which it won't show on there, but that'll put it into snow mode. That might make room in the PTU, I guess, maybe for oil to transfer faster into it. So if anybody has this problem, if they want to try that out, leave a comment, let others know it works. Let me know it works. Thank you. Appreciate it.